Good morning, students. Today we'll start with chapter number 6 of general knowledge, that is environment terms. Now, what is environment? You must have studied in science and you must have studied in your previous classes also that environment is basically our habitat, the surrounding in which we survive. This is our environment. Yes? So now there are many things going on in our environment. Some are good and some are bad. Like pollution, like global warming, yes, like animals being extinct and endangered. These are all bad things which are going on in our environment. But there are good things. What are the good things? Like there are sanctuaries for birds, there are wildlife sanctuaries and national parks for birds and animals. Yes, there is reforestation going on, afforestation going on. So there people are conserving the nature and the natural things, animals and flora and fauna of our country. So now we are going to study some terms which are related to our environment, and the exercise is based on them. So here you can see in your book we have an exercise. Okay. Now you can see the first one. What is it? See. The first one is, what is that can be broken into smaller parts by bacteria and they are not harmful to nature? What is that called? Those products are called as biodegradable. Can you see this image? Yes, these are biodegradable things like the kitchen waste, papers and all, because they degrade with the help of bacteria. They degrade, okay? They are called biodegradable. And those like plastic, which are actually not degradable, they are called as non-biodegradable. Okay, next, what is the prevention of land, water or animals called, which is being destroyed or damaged? See, there is land, water and animals, they are being damaged, they are being destroyed. What is that process called? It is called as conservation. Now can you see here in this image? Yes, people are planting trees, they are conserving the nature. Yes, can you see? Conserving wildlife. Okay, next is the process of removing trees from an area, the process of cutting trees, in large number, making the land empty with no tree. This process is called as deforestation. What is it called as? Deforestation. People cut down trees because they need wood for furniture, they need wood to make paper, they need land to make houses and buildings, factories, industries, etc. So they cut down a large number of trees. So this process is called as deforestation. Now, what is the process which is called as like rise in temperature due to the greenhouse effect? See what is happening. The glaciers are melting and there is a rise in temperature. Okay, so that rise in temperature is called as global warming. That means the whole world is getting warm. The temperature is increasing. So that process is called as global warming. So now see this image. Which image would you like to see? This one or this one? Naturally this green one. Yes, we like our environment, our surrounding to be like this, greener, healthier, safer, and not like this dark, brown, dull, hot. No. So we should look forward that we make less of pollution and save our environment. See, can you see this? These are actually a image taken from the drone. This is a real image where the trees, the bunch of trees, the group of trees are taking the shape of lungs. Actually, the trees are our lungs. And when you cut down, that means we are damaging our lungs. We ourselves are damaging our lungs by cutting down the trees. So this process of rise in temperature due to the greenhouse effect is called as global warming, the rise in temperature. Next is the process of damaging air, water and land with the chemicals or other substance. What is it called as? It's called as pollution. Now what happens? See, we are polluting because of the smoke which is coming out from the factories, from the chimneys. The air gets polluted. The smoke comes out from the vehicle, pollutes the air. Yes. Then what happens? The people, they throw the garbage, the dust Yes, near water bodies. So that way the water bodies also gets polluted. Our soil is getting polluted. Air is getting polluted. So this is actually happening day by day. People are destroying the environment and creating more and more pollution. We should stop this. Next is a special area where animals live in a natural environment protected from people, where the animals are kept in their natural environment. So that place is called as a sanctuary. What is it called as? A sanctuary. Can you see here the deers are protected in their natural surrounding? Yes, and people go and visit that place, but they do not disturb the animals. They cannot hunt the animals. It's ban over there. So that place is called as sanctuaries. We have many sanctuaries in India and even in Madhya Pradesh, like Pench, Kanha. You must have visited one of them. Next is continuous process of movement of water from the water bodies into the atmosphere and back again in the form of precipitation. That means water evaporating from water bodies and then getting condensed, and then the process in coming down with the help of precipitation. This process is called as water cycle. Here you can see the water bodies evaporate, they form the clouds in the form of the steam, and then they condense, and when they condense they precipitate, and then again it comes down in the form of rain. So this is called as the water cycle. A quick recap of the answers. If you have literature in your books, please write it. The first one was biodegradable, conservation, deforestation, global warming, pollution, sanctuary and water cycle. I hope you all have understood these environment terms properly. Thank you.